You need to go to one
Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes.
I've been grinding so long, been trying this shit for years. And I got nothing to show, just climbing this rope right here. And if there's a man upstairs, he kept bringing me rain. But I've been sending up prayers and something's changed. I think I finally found my hallelujah. I've been waiting for this moment all my life now. All my dreams are coming true, yeah. I've been waiting for this moment. It's good to be alive right about now. Sometimes you gotta get started, get what you deserve. I kept moving on, now I'm moving up. Damn, I've been feeling great with all this love. I think I finally found my hallelujah. I've been waiting for this moment all my life now. All my dreams are coming true, yeah. I've been waiting for this moment. It's good to be alive right about now. Could get used to this. I almost can't. Can I handle it? I could get used to this. I think I finally found my. It's good to be alive right about now.
Did you see me, man? I was just doing that. That's really cool. I was putting my fingers in the air because my dad's just like, look at how much smoke there is. Hey, I'm sorry about this, but I think this and I are artificial. Look at above our heads. What is that?
Are you guys gold? Do you want a fireball? We do these in barns, and literally people get up from their blankets and start running. We should probably warn people, so that's why I'm warning you. So this is going to be a little bit loud and a little bit hot. Oh, sorry, we only have one. Hey, come to Barnes 4th of July. That's our big 4th of July show, Barnes. We have a lot of fireballs. So thank you everybody for coming. We love having you guys here every year. You guys are great. Go check out the store. Ask us any questions. Watch the videos. If you have any questions with how we light the show,
Again, there's a stack on the table. It has all the items that we shot off out here for the show. If you want to download the music, it's an Andy Grammer song. You can just pull it up on YouTube, hook your phone up to your truck speakers and open up the door, coordinate with your friends, get some torches, and you can do a